Today we're going to look at batteries, 12-volt batteries in particular, on this drill right here. This is an older drill. Some of the newer ones have lithium-ion batteries, and we're going to test the battery to see if it's got charge or not. So what you do is on your multimeter, you're going to put it to the V for volts. You're going to put out 20 because obviously this is 12 volts, as you see right there. And so we don't need to be at 200 or 600, okay? We're looking at 20. What we want to do is see this if it's at 12 or where it is, okay? So we hit this one, we hit this one. And if you look right now, it's actually not too good. That's at 8.45. That means this battery needs to be charged. It's not dead, just needs to be charged. It will not be enough to crank this battery. Now, what if I get the other one out? Let's check that one real quick. Same thing. Let's put that one here, put this one here. Same thing, black, red, just like that. That was even worse, 2.96. That one's almost dead. So both of these will not have enough juice to run that drill. See, very simple, just like that. Okay, thanks for watching. These both need to be charged up. And have a great day.